Today I'm going to give you a fast way to make some labels that are so simple then you can use it as print then cut. So let's start with a new project. I'm going to just replace the one we have. We're going over to our shapes. We are simply going to pick on this oval, make it a lot larger. I'm going to change the color to a light purple. That's great. I'm going to duplicate it. Now the size of this particular one, I'm going to change it to 8 inches and then we will shrink it from there. So this is an 8-inch one. We're going to take this guy and we're going to make this one 7.875. Perfect. And I'm going to give it a dark purple color and I'm going to bring it to the front. Then I am going to align both of these. I'm going to align them center. You can see that I have a small piece just hanging around on the outside. That is going to be our cut piece that we can see. I can make the back one a little larger, but for today I'm going to make this a very narrow little strip on the outside edge. With the two of them together, I am going to slice them and I'm going to pull these apart. And now I have a small little circle that we're going to use. We're going to bring some text in. And in this case, we'll make this sugar. I will change the font in a second, but we're going to bring it into here. I'm going to come back to the Cricut fonts. I'm going to pick a really nice font that is provided by Cricut. And it's going to be one that's going to be a little bit of a writing. Let's just pick this one. That's a nice looking little sugar font. And that looks really good. Let's center the two of those. Come to a line, center. That looks perfect. Now, between the two of them, I'm going to make sure everything is going to be the same color. So it's going to be that light color. Perfect. I am going to weld them together. That is great. Now I'm going to have the purple come in behind. Once again, we're going to come through here and we are going to align these center, and you can see the outside edge again. Last thing I need to do with this is then flatten it. I'm going to flatten, and now it becomes a printable label. Now you can play with how wide you want it. 8 inches is pretty wide. So we probably only want this as a 4-inch label, and as you can see, you can resize these or do anything you want. It is very simple to get the two different colors going. And that's it for making simple labels.